5 yoga asanas to cure 90% of stomach diseases. First one is Pawanmuktasana. Raise both your legs and bring close to your chest. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. It is extremely beneficial for gas-related problems of the stomach. It is useful in scanty, painful menstruation. It is beneficial in acidity, heart disease, gut, and headache. It reduces excess fat on the stomach. Now, second yoga for stomach is Uttanpadasana. Uttanpadasana. This cures your stomach and navel displacement problems. Stay in this position for at least 30 seconds. When performing this asana, much pressure is over the stomach. Due to the pressure, your legs and hands start shivering a bit. It aids in digestion and relieves acidity and constipation. It strengthens abdominal muscles and organs. Helpful in weight loss and reducing belly fats also. Now, third asana is Naukasana. Balance both your hands and legs this way. Balance your body this way at an angle of 30 degrees. Within 30 seconds, you will start feeling pain and tension in your stomach. Stay in this position for 30 seconds. Now you can take rest for a few moments. Now, fourth asana is Kandharasana or Setubandhasana. Keeping the shoulder and feet still, lift yourself up this way. Now exhale so your stomach goes deep inside. This asana is good for back problems in ladies. It is also useful if someone has uterus prolapse. Now, last, fifth asana is a bit difficult. Fold your legs up this way and touch the nose with your big toe. This asana is simpler for women as their body is flexible. Practice one pose for 30 seconds. These were 5 asanas for stomach problems. These asanas for stomach were: first is Pawanmuktasana. Second, Uttanpadasana. Third, Naukasana. Fourth, Kandharasana. And fifth, Padangusthasana. Namaste to all of you.